Governor Edwards also gave an update on power outage numbers throughout the state in the aftermath of Hurricane Laura.
Crews are moving closer to completing a total power restoration.
We have some good news on the power outage. You remember at the peak it was 615,000 accounts or customers without power. Those outages have largely been located, we're down to 137,921 as of noon today, and those outages are largely located in the southwest region of the state.
And the governor says the progress will be slower going forward because of the destruction left behind by Hurricane Laura. SWEPCO is asking any local customers still without power to report their outages once again.